Why your Facebook ads are not profitable. If your Facebook ads are not profitable, it's not because Meta ads don't work. It's because your structure is wrong. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why. Let's fix your ROAS. Most businesses make one simple mistake. They run one campaign, one ad, one creative, and then they hope it works. That's not strategy, that's gambling. Meta ads is not about luck, it's about testing. If you are not testing creatives consistently, you will never find a winning ad. Your testing campaign should test different hooks, different angles, different offers, different creatives, small budget, clear objective. The goal of testing is not profit, the goal is data. And once you find a winning creative, then you scale. Now let's talk about the second mistake, scaling too early. People see one good day and they double the budget. That is emotional scaling, and emotional scaling kills ROAS. You scale only when your cost per result is stable, your data is consistent, and your margins support it. Scaling is a process, not a reaction. Now, here's the third mistake, and this one is big. You don't understand customer lifetime value. If you only calculate profit from the first purchase, you will always struggle. Because smart businesses think long term. If a customer buys again, or subscribes, or refers someone, that customer becomes more valuable over time. And when you understand that, you can afford to spend more to acquire them. That's how real brands scale. One more thing, your data must be accurate. If your metapixel is not installed properly, if conversion API is missing, Meta cannot optimize. Bad tracking equals bad results. Before blaming ads, fix your tracking. Here is the simple profitable structure: testing campaign, scaling campaign, retargeting campaign. That's it. No hacks, no magic tricks, just structure. If your Facebook ads are not profitable, don't quit. Fix the system. Ads don't fail, structure fails. Subscribe to Dr. Metaads. And in the next video, I'll show you exactly how to build a high converting testing campaign step by step. Let's scale smart.